Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of what I just got from Wecrochet, so stay tuned. Hey there, Kimberly here with Knit for Brains. Thanks so much for joining me today. So this is not a new website to me. Wecrochet, which is crochet.com, which is a partner, sister, to knitpicks.com, which is a fabulous company. I've been working with them for a long time. I love their wood, their harmony knitting needles, and they're double pointed and all of that stuff. So I've loved them. And a few years back, they split off and did a sister site specifically for crochet. So KnitPicks is good for crochet and knit, but it's really designed towards knitting. And then they started up Wecrochet, which their website is crochet.com. How they got that, I don't know, but that was amazing. Anyways, so one of my girls, Tony Lipsy at tlyarncrafts.com, she's been doing a lot on storage just like I have been, right? New year, storage, feeling organized, cleaning the brain, the whole thing. And so I saw some really cool ideas that she had that she found. I think some of them actually came from crochet.com, and I thought, all right, cool, I'm going to give these a shot. So I just got this box. Now, I'm going to tell you, the Brit, he accidentally opened it. He thought it was a water filter for the refrigerator. So he opened it. I was like, no, that's my unboxing. So, all right, I'm going to tell you, it's already been opened, but I really held it together, and I refrained from actually digging into the box before I got to do it with you. So technically it's open. I don't need scissors yet, but anyways. So I got this box from Wecrochet.com. And let's take a look inside and see what's in here. I love when a company gives you a bill of sale, because sometimes they don't. You're like, did I order this? Did I really mean to order this? All right, so crochet.com. Here's what I got. I'm gonna do this in the order that I want to talk to you about it. The first thing that I found, which turned me onto them in the first place, are these really cool, I think, they're storage bags for your yarn, but not just a storage bag. It's really more of a project bag. Hold on. It is a Wecrochet snap bag. Here's what I love about this. You put your yarns inside, right? And then you have these really cool snaps, right? And you just go boom, 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 and boom. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 openings that you put your yarn inside here, and then you feed your yarn up. So this is a great project bag. And it's got this Wecrochet design on the front, which is totally fine. But the instructions say, our colorwork snap bags are designed to work perfectly with our everyday tote. Okay, I don't have an everyday tote. I hope this is going to work. They hold your yarn in place using silver snaps as channels for snag-free environment while doing color work. While the see-through 100% nylon mesh makes them perfect project bag to easily track all your whips, you'll need more than one. Well, you know what? I got more than one. So what was cool, you had the opportunity to buy the bag just by itself. I thought I got it, so you could buy the bag by itself. Sorry. So I ended up getting two because I thought, that's such a great idea. I know I'm going to need more than one. And actually, I'm working on a blanket right now. My Lark's Foot, the middle finger blanket, and there's a lot of different colors in there. So it'd be great to, I think there might be like 15, but still, to put the yarns in here and then to feed them all up and through. But what I ended up getting, I could have sworn I only ordered one, like one of these bags and then one of the full complete kit. The full complete kit came with a bag and this really great granny glow up crochet pattern book of goodness. And so in it, it has all these different granny square patterns. Really, well, that's kind of fun. That's really kind of fun, like a cowl or a snood, as some people are calling them. But here it's called a cowl, so I'm going with cowl. Look at this super cute, adorable sweater. So I thought, okay, you know what? One pattern book, and these are fun and different. Just something different than not just a complete granny square, but something, you know, a little bit less granny square intrusive, maybe. It's got all the patterns and stuff in here. I think this book on sale, maybe it was like $10 by itself or something like that. Super cute pattern. I like this pattern quite a bit, actually. Oh, okay, and here's your birdie cardigan. This is your full-on cardigan, granny square. That's okay. I'm not hating it, but sometimes, you know, a little bit less is more. Anyway, so it's got some super cute patterns in here. Really great instructions. Very, very user-friendly from what I can see. Good pictures, too. So this book came with, okay, and here's what we call Oma blanket. So Oma, I think, means grandmother in Swedish or some kind. Comment below if you know what it is, but these are really pretty. And I think these are made by different pattern makers. So that's pretty cool. So I got that goes with this, but I ended up getting two. So possibly, oh, and it's got abbreviations here on the back. See, front, back. So maybe I accidentally hit two. I don't care. That's okay. It's a great little book. Easy, so I could keep one at home and one in the project bag. But this is great for granny squares, or like I'm doing a bunch of colors in this blanket. So anything where you got a lot of yarns coming out, this is really going to keep them organized. Organized, hashtag organized. So the bag just by itself, this guy is $14.99. If you want to order this with this, it's $23.99. Still pretty good. And if you want to order it with the bag, the tote that it goes with, then it is $39.99. I don't need any more totes. But, you know, this is going to fit into anything. So this was $23.99. Pretty sure I didn't pay for it, though. Pretty sure I didn't. Because I looked very, very carefully at the bottom dollar. Anyway, so I got this. Then, on top of it, they gave me this cute little enamels pin. And here you can see it says Knit Picks and We Crochet. This is a granny square. And you know what? If anybody deserves to have a granny square lapel pin, it's this girl. Because y'all know how much I love my granny squares. Isn't that cute? Just a little pin. So you can attach it to a bag or a piece of clothing or whatever you want to do. But they gave me one of these pins. Actually, some of that. Now these things that I got, except for these We Crochet bags, were on sale. Their notions currently, they're having a sale. Their notions are 30% off. So currently on their website, which I'm going to include here below, they have certain accessories that are 30% off. For instance, I got, because you always need these guys, these bent tapestry darning needles. So I got these. Now again, this is from Knit Picks. So you see how the connection is, right? I got these. Normally they're $2.49. That's fine. And I got them for $1.99 for 3, which is a great deal. So it's up to 30% off, because these were 20% off, but that's okay. But I got these nice little darning needles here with its own little carrying case inside there. I'm not going to take it out for you, but you see the difference, right? Okay. They also have a yarn ball winder, and I actually have a yarn ball winder, a really nice one, and then I have one of their Knit Picks ones. Normally those are $22.99, and they are currently on sale for $20.69, 10% off. But still, you got to have a yarn ball winder, and the Knit Picks one that I have, I've had for 10, 12 years. It's actually a really, really good yarn ball winder. And the other thing that I got was, I got this crochet gauge swatch. And I think it's the one, okay. So they had them for knit, and they also have them for crochet. You know what? I'm just going to be honest. I always forget, like, what is the weight of a DK? What is the weight of a sport? What is the weight of lace and all that kind of stuff? So I got this, which I think is super, super handy and helpful. So I'm going to keep it really close to all my work. So I can go, okay, if it's a 4, it's a medium worsted Aran weight, bulky is a 5 or whatever. I just, you know, I never really remember. I just have to look it up. So I got this little guy here, and I think it was like $6. They have another one that has little indentations, grooves in the wood where you can actually just put the yarn into it if you're not really sure what you're holding. So that's kind of handy as well. I have one of those, so I didn't get that, but I really like this. So I'm keeping this close. Attach it to like a garment bag or somewhere in your workspace where you can use it like all the time. And the last thing that I got, I did get some yarn. I got there, I wanted to try this. I haven't tried it before. This is their Swish. It's by both for Knit Picks and for We Crochet. I got the bulky weight. thinking maybe I would need this for that granny square sweater that I'm doing, but I do think I have found my solution. It's really, really soft. It's got 137 yards and 100 grams per hank. And this color is called Allspice, which I thought was really pretty. It is 100% fine superwash merino wool. So this is called Swish, and they have it in all different weights. They have it in your worsted, your DK, your bulky. They even have it in pops, which is more of like their variegated colors. They have some that are completely natural in color, so you can just dye your own. And then they even have some roving. So they have a full, complete line of this yarn, but it's all on sale right now. It's currently 20% off. All right, so these are the yarns that I got. You know, actually, it's no special code. It's right on their website. It just says save 20 now. And you get to also save 20% off if you spend $100 and you use the code save 20 now. You get an additional 20% off. So I usually try, if I don't hit that number, I usually try to at least hit it for free shipping. And free shipping is on any orders over $45. So that's pretty much what I got. But I ended up getting 3 skeins of this Swish. But the Swish is currently on sale. It's very, very, very soft. So people that say, I can't wear wool because it's scratchy, this merino wool, you really need to give it a try. It's super soft. I would definitely make this into a cowl or a scarf or pretty much anything I wanted. I wanted to give this a try to see, like I said, if it was going to work for that granny square sweater. I think I actually found what I was looking for. I'm really excited. So you'll be seeing that this week in this week's podcast. But I love this. This is really nice. So this is normally $10.39, but it's currently on sale. And then they have the DK and then the worsted, and those are $5.59. But again, they're on sale as well. And if you're not into the wool, check out their website because they have Lion's brand. They have Lion brand. They have Lion brand. They also have value packs. They even have the Lion's brand Kobu. They've got all kinds of different products. So even if they, they don't just carry their own, they carry other lines as well. But I really, really like Wecrochet. I invite you to check them out. I've included the link here below. You can just go right over there and check out the sales, but they do have a lot of sales. They ship really, really fast. I just got these and I'm excited to try this specific yarn out. So Wecrochet, which is crochet.com, and then there's also knitpicks.com, and you can go to either site. There's like a tab across the top. But give them a check, give them a try, see what you think. A lot of good stuff on sale. They have tons and tons of pattern, a really good dynamic pattern library. Some of them are free, some of them you have to pay for, but even if you pay for it, it's minimal, right? It's not very expensive whatsoever. So the sales that they currently have going on are, you spend $100, you get 20% off using that code SAVE20 now. I'll include that in the notes. They're also giving 20% off on all of their Swish, and that's only, I just looked, it's only for the month of February. So you want to check that out and give some of these a look-see. They're still offering that 30% off on selected accessories, which is what I ended up doing. And they even have an overstock section where they've got a lot of super fun yarns, limited quantities and things like that. They've got roving and they've got cotton and linens and alpacas and all different kinds. And they even have 100% acrylic. And like I said, they've got Lion brand. They have some of the big names as well. So give them a check, give them a look-see. I'm really excited about these bags. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of these. Brilliant concept. Nice, strong snaps too. So my yarn is going to stay in there. I've got this yarn that I got from Furls, the Wander yarn, and I'm finishing up my lark foot. Well, it's called the middle finger blanket, but I don't really like to call it that. Anyways, it's going to fit really nicely in here, and it's easy to be able to pull out my hanks. So all of this, yay, came to me from Wecrochet.com. And this is a great little book. I think by itself, it's like, maybe it's like $10, something along those lines. So give them a look-see. This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. This is my unboxing, my haul from Wecrochet or crochet.com. All the information is going to be down below, but give them a look-see, check them out. I've ordered from them before from the Knit Pick side. I haven't ordered from the crochet.com side, but I will definitely be doing it from here on out. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing, but make sure you subscribe so you get all the notifications of all the videos that I've got dropping, because I've got a lot. And tell your friends, because we love being here. We love having fun. We love talking about yarn. So if they do too, and you do, join us, won't you? This is Kimberly with Knit for Brains. And as always, I'll see you soon.